When a TV decides to go on strike these days, people aren't just shrugging and shopping anymore. Here's how high inflation is turning everyone into a TV surgeon or a professional negotiator. The resurrection over replacement. In the good old days, also known as 6 years ago, if a screen went black, you just toss it and head to the electronics store. Now, people are treating their TVs like a family inheritance. A neighbor would say, "It's not dead, it's just sleeping." Instead of buying a new 4K masterpiece, folks are searching for a TV doctor who can perform a miracle on a 10-year-old LCD. Repairing is the new cool because a new TV costs more than some people's cars. The YouTube University graduates. Inflation has turned regular accountants and teachers into amateur engineers. You hear things like, how hard can micro soldering actually be? People are watching 3-hour tutorials on how to fix a T-con board with a butter knife and hope. They'll try to DIY it until they see a spark, then they'll finally call a professional and pretend they didn't touch it. The parts scavenger. Since brand new spare parts are priced in tears and gold, people are getting creative. A customer said, "One man's trash is my TV's new motherboard." There's a massive boom in the organ donor market for electronics. People are buying broken TVs just to harvest the screen, boards, or the backlight strips. It's basically a high-tech scrapyard out there. Extreme weather resistance, the blanket technique. Because the cost of a new panel is so high, people are protecting their current TVs with an iron dome of sorts. "Nobody breathes near my screen," said an old lady. You see people covering their TVs with thick lace or velvet cloths the second the off button is pressed. It's not just decor, it's a shield against dust, humidity, and the general bad vibes of the economy. The wait and pray strategy. Sometimes when the TV starts flickering, people just accept it as a new special effect. It's not a glitch, it's a cinematic filter, they quip. If there's a line down the middle of the screen, they'll just sit slightly to the left. As long as they can hear the news and see half of a football, they aren't spending a dime until the screen literally falls off the wall. So inflation has made repair the king and replaced the villain. People are holding onto their screens with both hands, praying the backlight lasts just one more season of their favorite show. Is the same thing happening at your location? Just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.